Let's make paneer at home today just like the market. Take 3 packets of full cream milk. Boil the milk until it reaches a rolling boil. Add lemon juice to the boiling milk and stir gently. After 2 to 3 minutes later, the milk will curdle and separate into chena and water. Strain the chena using a muslin cloth. Wash the chena with normal water to remove any lemon flavor. Instead of using a mold, I wrapped the paneer in a muslin cloth and give it a square shape. Then place a weight on top. This helps the paneer to drain excess water. Now that the paneer is set, you can cut whatever shape you like. मैंने यहाँ पनीर को क्यूब शेप में काटा है, which are perfect for various recipes. Now you enjoy your fresh, healthy homemade paneer.